Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's Nauman Shakir here with your lesson number 1. And the topic of today's lesson is triangles, part 1. So, students, what is a triangle? This is a triangle. Basically, the word triangle is derived from two Latin words, tri and angle. Tri means three, and angle is what you have learned in the previous lessons in the previous topic. So it means the triangle is a three-sided figure, and it must be a closed figure so that you can make three angles at three vertices at three corners of the triangle. Means the triangle has three sides as well as three angles. The important point in this topic, triangle, is that the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means the angle at this vertex, that is A, and then the angle at this vertex, that is B, and the angle at this vertex, C, must be summed to 180 degree. Now, the types of triangles. The triangles are basically classified according to two different parameters in two ways. Number one is according to their sides or according to their angles. According to the sides, there are three types of a triangle. Number one is equilateral triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. And the third one is scalene triangle. For the angles, there are also three types of a triangle. Number one is acute triangle. Number two is right triangle. Number three is obtuse triangle. So, according to the length of the sides, the triangles, the types of the triangles are defined as one by one. First of all, we have equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles are the triangles which have all the sides equal to each other. It means all the three sides of a triangle are equal in length. Second one is isosceles triangle. In these triangles, two sides are equal to each other and the third side is unequal to them. Number three is scalene triangle. In this type of triangle, there is no side equal to each other. It means all the sides are unequal to one another. There will be no two sides equal to each other. Similarly, according to the size of the angles, the types will be defined. Number one, we have acute triangle, and acute triangles are the triangles which have no angle greater than or equal to 90 degree. It means all the angles in this triangle are less than 90 degree. The second one is right triangle. In this sort of triangle or in this triangle, the one of the angles is 90 degree. And the third type of triangle according to the angles is obtuse triangle, and this type of triangle has one angle greater than 90 degree and other two angles will be less than 90 degree, obviously. Now coming to some basic properties of the types of the triangles one by one. First of all, equilateral triangle. It means all the three sides of a triangle are equal. In this, first of all, we have that all the three angles are equal to each other. That is, these three angles equal to each other. It means that every angle of the triangle will be 60 degree. Means all these three angles must be 60 degrees. As we know that the sum of all the angles are equal to 180 degree. So it means if there are 60 degree each, then 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Second one, isosceles triangles. In this triangle, you know that we have two sides equal to each other and one side is unequal, like the triangle drawn on the right corner. In this, first of all, we have the first property is two angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. That is, this angle opposite to this side and this angle opposite to this side are equal to each other. If the sides are equal, it means the angles opposite to them are equal to each other. Then the unequal side, different side from the others, is called base. For this triangle, the base is here. And third property is basically not a property, you can say it's a definition also. The two equal angles are called the base angles, means this one and this one. These two angles will be called base angles, as these angles are drawn on the base. Third one is scalene triangle. There is no side equal to any other side, so there are no particular properties. You can see there are different forms or different shapes of a scalene triangle. It must be any can be any of these three or any other sort of type. There are no particular properties for this triangle. General properties will be applied here, that is sum of all the angles equal to 180 degree and many more, which we will be learning in our next lessons. It is all for today's lesson. Thank you very much, students. In our next lesson, we will study some more properties of triangles and we will solve some questions related to triangles. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.